fun and never boring. There are thousands of teachers out there, but anyone who is lucky enough to have you will surely love you. We want to thank you for having such a positive impact on our lives and making each and every one of us feel special. Let's hear it from Miss Thompson!
Miss Giovanni, you make math so fun and fill it with real-life examples. Not only do you tell us fascinating stories, but you fill our brains with information we will definitely use in the long run. We know we can always ask you questions, and you make us feel so comfortable in your class. You've got to be the fastest grader we've ever seen. You're not only a teacher, but a friend, and we thank you for that.
Let's give it up for Miss DTO!
Mr. Derrick, although it may be your first year at Mesa View, you've already demonstrated to us what being a leader means. You inspire us to strive to do better in our school and our community. There's no way we will be able to fully appreciate and celebrate what you do for us. However, we hope you know how important you are to our school's success and well-being. You always push us in the right direction to do what's right for our environment and our school. How much you do for this school is unreal, and we are thankful to have someone like you to be part of our staff.